You've heard a million times that Lehman Brothers collapsed because of subprime mortgages and became the biggest bankruptcy ever. But what almost nobody talks about are the shady, arrogant, and straight-up deceptive things happening inside Lehman in the final years. The stuff that makes you go, how did they think this would end well? Today we're diving into the lesser-known scandals, the internal rot, and the jaw-dropping decisions that textbooks and documentaries use.
Repo 105 was one of the shadiest accounting tricks of 2008. Lehman structured short-term loans as sales by taking only 95% of asset value, letting billions in debt disappear from balance sheets before reports. They moved $39.50 off books to look less leveraged. Internally, it was called window dressing. Executives and auditors knew. It wasn't an error. It was deliberate deception to buy time. At the top, Lehman's culture was toxic. CEO Dick Fuld ran the firm like a kingdom, aggressive, dismissive, and hostile to bad news. When executives suggested skipping bonuses in 2008, Fuld mocked the idea and kept them. He earned hundreds of millions, then blamed others for the collapse. The board rubber-stamped risks, dissent was crushed, and even Warren Buffett walked away after spotting red flags. Arrogance ruled until the end. There were warnings. Senior VP Matthew Lee wrote letters in 2008 exposing accounting issues like Repo 105. He was ignored and pushed out. Lehman hid risky assets in a shadow unit called Hudson Castle. At peak, leverage hit 31-1, meaning a 3 to 4% asset drop would erase equity. They knew housing was cracking but gambled anyway. After Bear Stearns was saved, Lehman assumed a bailout was coming. It wasn't. Lehman didn't fail just because of bad mortgage baits. It collapsed due to arrogance, deception, ignored warnings, and a culture where appearances mattered more than reality. Repo 105 became the perfect symbol of Wall Street before 2008. The scary part. Many of the same incentives still exist today, just rebranded with better PR. Was Lehman uniquely bad or just the weakest link? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more deep dives.